One of the great things about spreadsheets is that I can use them to make graphs and charts. So I'm going to make a chart about Marvin and the rookie's income. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to hit, well, first I'm going to select E. It's going to make the process a little bit easier. So I just clicked on the E. Then I'm going to say insert. And I'm going to say chart. And I'm going to get this chart about the rookie's total income. This isn't really what I want, but it is a start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here where it says line chart. And I want a specific kind of line chart. I want a smooth line chart. It's got these two sort of bouncy lines in blue and red. And I'm going to click there. It doesn't look like it made a difference, but it will eventually. I don't have anything on my x-axis. I don't have my independent variable. I want that to be years. So I'm going to click Add X-axis. And I can just go over here to where it has this little grid. And if I click that, then all I have to do is go up here and click the A above year. And I hit OK. And now I can see the rookie's total income is on the y-axis and the year is on the x-axis. It's looking pretty good. Now I just want to add the information about Marvin. So series is where it talks about the y-axis. So I want to add another series and I'm going to click here on the grid again. And when it says select data range, I'm going to go up to Marvin's total income, which is C, and I'm going to click there and I'm going to hit OK. And it sort of looks like the rookie's income disappeared. It's actually there. It's down here. But since we added Marvin, now this is $1 million, we can't even really see the rookie's $7. It's there, but it's so small that we can't see it at all. I can make my chart bigger or smaller. I can customize it. If I need to edit it at all anymore, I can click on it, go over here to the snowman, the 3 dots, click on that, hit edit chart, and all of this will come back. I can even customize it. Like on the y-axis, it says rookie's total income, but now I have both players' total income. So I can go here to chart and axis title, and I can change the vertical up and down axis title to just total income. And that'll work for both rookie and Marvin. Now, my chart title says it's rookie's total income. I'm going to change that. So I'm going to select chart title, and I'm going to say something like Marvin or the rookie with a question mark. So now I have this nice looking chart, and I could actually copy this over onto a document. As I add data, then that data will automatically get added to the chart. So for example, it's been another year. Marvin makes another $1 million, which takes his total income. 3 million plus another $1 million is $4 million. And the chart updated automatically.